Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Cynthia ELEWUWA. How are you guys doing? I hope you all are doing okay. So guys, in the spirit of Valentine, I'm gonna be doing a Valentine inspired makeup tutorial today. I would like you to stay tuned, okay, and see what we will create. Actually, you're gonna create with me. We'll just find colors and mix them up and see what we'll end up creating. It's gonna be something beautiful, something awesome, something Valentine-ish. Anyway guys, without wasting so much of your time, we're gonna just start right in. So I've already hydrated my face and primed my face, so right now I'm gonna just going into my foundation. So guys, now I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty body illuminator. I've used it once and I want to use it again on my face. Okay, I just wanted to give it that natural shine. Okay, so yeah, so I'm gonna just shake it up and I'm just gonna just a little bit, and I'm gonna use my finger to distribute, because it's actually kind of difficult. See? So now that I've gotten that body illuminator in, as you can see, my face is now a little bit glowing, not too much, just a little. So right now I'm gonna go in with ELEWUWA Pro Concealer in the shade Orange Corrector. That's it, Orange Corrector. So this is just to correct some dark spots and kind of a little problem areas on my face, just to give this look a flawless finish. So I'm just dabbing it in, just a little, nothing too much. Okay, so the idea of this makeup is to be sexy and yet natural. Okay, sexy yet natural, with a pop of red, because why not? It's Valentine, right? Okay, so I'm just gonna get that in, all the places that seem to have all the spots. I'm just gonna get it in. And after doing this, I'm just gonna use my brush and just blend. For the sake of this video not being extremely too long, I'm gonna be cutting some, like doing my brows and applying foundation. Everyone already knows how to do that, so I might not be showing all those ones. I might be doing them off camera. That is what I'm trying to say. Now using my Lancome Tint I do ultra wear, so I'm gonna apply my foundation. I'm just gonna take about 2 pumps, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation. So what I do is I just use my setting spray and spray on my brush, and then I go in with the foundation. So I'm gonna finish this up and I'll be right back. Now that I'm done applying my foundation, I'm gonna contour with my Stila Cosmetics Shape and Shade. So I'm gonna use the dark shade, this shade right here, and I'm gonna just contour. So guys, right now I've contoured my face. I'm just gonna blend in. Okay, So guys, now that I'm done blending in my contour and my concealer, I'm gonna bake with my Black Up anti-brilliance powder. Now that I'm done with that, guys, I'm gonna go in with Tartlet in Bloom for my eyes. Okay, Tartlet in Bloom by Tarte Cosmetics. And yeah, I'll be transitioning with this color here called Rebel. So I'm just gonna take Rebel and I'll start building up. So I'm just gonna go all over like this and keep blending. So we're looking to get a very sexy look. Nothing overboard, nothing too much, just a very pretty, sexy look. I'm gonna bring it a little closer to my upper crease and I'm just gonna blend it in. So guys, using the same Tartlet in Bloom, I'm gonna go in with this shade Leader. This shade right here, Leader. So I'm gonna go in with Leader, and I'm just gonna start from this edge and slowly go in. And then just what's left of my brush, I'll just take it in onto my crease. It's also on the same palette. I'm gonna go in with this shade Activist, and I'm just gonna start placing it right here. And I'm just gonna slightly bring it in just around this corner. So guys, now you guys can see, and yes, we are almost done. So now that I'm done with those dark shades, I'm gonna go in with this shade Funny Girl. So this is Funny Girl right here. I'm just gonna go in with it. I just wetted my brush, okay, and I'm gonna go in with it right now, and right on top of my lid, I'm just gonna place it. That color is beautiful. I went ahead to take the Activist shade, which is this, to just smoke it out a little bit. So I'm gonna try to blend in everything to make sure there are no harsh lines, just at the edge right here. So now I'm still gonna go back in with the Funny Girl, this shade, Funny Girl. I'm gonna go back in with it, and I'm gonna just define right here, make it pop. Okay guys, so finally I'm still gonna go back in with Activist, the darker shade, and still blend it out just to make sure there are no harsh lines. I want everything to just rhyme in as if I was born this way. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with the first shade again here, and I'm just gonna go all over my crease with it. Okay guys, now using this shade with a completely clean brush, I'm gonna go in with this Flower Child just with a clean brush here. This is Flower Child, so I'm gonna go in with it, and I'm just gonna go on top of my brow bone right here and just clean it up a little bit. The look is coming together, as you can see, and now that I'm done doing that, I'm just gonna using Urban Decay Perversion mascara. I'm just gonna define my lashes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop in my false lashes. So as you guys already know, lashes makes a hell lot of difference. Okay, it makes the look pop. So if you don't apply the lashes, the look will just be like, but with the lashes you get this, see the difference with lashes, without lashes. Now you get what I mean with lashes, without lashes. Which one do you prefer? So now I have my lashes on. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my waterline. I'm also gonna go in with this shade Leader to do my under eyes. Now I'm gonna go in with the lighter shade Rebel. Using the same perversion from Urban Decay, I'm gonna go ahead and define my lower lashes. So guys, it's Valentine and we're looking to be sexy. We have to be sexy, right? So we want to achieve this sexy look, very sexy look that will get him popping the question, will you marry me, babe? It's kind of about to rain over here. In case you're hearing any thunderstorm or thunder noise, just know that, yeah, he's wanting to rain over here. And I just like it when it rains. So guys, now that I'm done with that lower lashes, I'm gonna bronze my face using my black up two-way cake. Yes, and I'm just gonna bronze my face using it. Using my Kat Von D shade and light, I'm gonna go in with this dark shade here, this shade right here, just to define my contour, to make it, you know, whatever. Using my blush from Pharmacy, I'm just gonna go in. So this is my highlighter from Becca Cosmetics, okay, so I'm gonna go in with it. This is in the shade Rose Gold, so I'm gonna go in with it to complete this beautiful look. So guys, using my lip liner, I'm just gonna go ahead and outline my lip. So for my lipstick today, I'll be using the MAC Ruby Woo, as you can see. So guys, I'm back, and right now I'm gonna finish up with my setting spray just to set this beautiful look. I'm gonna finish up with my setting spray. Okay guys, okay. Now this is the final look. This is the final look. How do you see it, guys? Happy Valentine. Happy Valentine. Happy Valentine's, guys. Whoop whoop. And we are Valentine's Day ready. Who want to take me out? Come take me. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So guys, this is the final look. We've come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video like I did making it. And if this is your first time coming to my channel, my name is Cynthia ELEWUWA, and this is my channel. Welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. You know how we do it from the onset. Thank you for stopping by today, and happy Valentine's Day to you all. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to share. If you followed through with my tutorial, you're just gonna get exactly the same result that I got. You'll be Valentine's ready like I am. Anyway guys, I will leave you here right now, and I will see you guys on my next video. Okay? Yes guys, I love you. Bye, and happy Valentine's Day. Mwah.